Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Devi, student of Rural Management of FMS IRM Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about my case study. The name of my case study is Unity is Strength. Let me start my presentation with the introduction of the case study. This case study is about a tribe. The name of tribe is Irukula in Andhra Pradesh. The women of tribe was empowered by the self-help group. These self-help groups were formed by an NGO under a government scheme. The name of government scheme is DWCRA, Development of Women and Child in the Rural Areas, launched in 1994 and 95. Let me tell you about the self-help group. What is the meaning of self-help group and what are the function of the self-help group? Self-help group are informal group of people who share a common problem and belongs to a common society. They form a group to help each other and solve their problems. In a group there can be 10 to 15 members and these members deposit a small fund to help each other. Their main goals include empowering women, developing leadership abilities, and help to needy young people, increasing school enrollment of girls, and improving nutrition in children. These are the some these are the some function of the self-help group. Number one, number one, doing regular saving. These regular saving help the needy member of the group. Second, to run the group properly, they conduct regular meeting. In the meeting, they discuss about their problems and try to solve them by participation. Now, I'm going to tell about my case study through a story. This is the chart of my story. Let's begin. There is a tribe. The name of tribe is Irukula. In this tribe, nearly 50 families are living, and the women of tribe are skilled in making bamboo baskets and mats. That's why by using available resources, they start selling basket and mats. They are not directly linked with the market because they are not that much educated, and some middlemen took these baskets on a huge commission and supply the goods to the market. Due to the huge commission, the tribal women getting a small money and they are not satisfied with these because the earning is not sufficient for them. They are not getting reasonable price for their goods. Now the twist came in the story. The government launched a scheme named the name of the scheme was DWCRA, and an NGO helped the tribe by making their self-help group. There are 5 self-help group and each group there are 10 members and there is one leader of every group. Leaders like Venkatamma and Adi Lakshmi, they try to solve their problem of market. That's why they start pay to the market and start searching for the customers and dealers who can pay them a good money for their materials. And after some time, they struggle a lot to find out the new customers. After some time, some customer they get and they started supplying their bamboo baskets and mats, and now the women start earning a good amount of money because there is no middleman and the dealer also providing them a good rate of their their goods. Now the tribal women are happy and their children start going to the school. Even the girls all started going to the school. These self-help group also help the tribe women with other problems like domestic violence, health related problems and hygiene problems and family planning, education related problems, and these self-help group also help the tribal women with improving their life, and now they are independent running their household very happily and they are satisfied with their work. That's why the participation of women in every society is very important to develop the society. And the more SNG group should be formed to tribal and rural areas to empower the women, because in the informal group they are feel more comfortable and they try to understand each other and they also try to solve their own problems. There are some there are some Objective of SNG to form. The objective are like saving and banking habits. They develop saving and banking habits in the members and secure them financially, technically, and provide them moral strength. And also also help them availing the loan from the bank, and also create a group where they can share their problems and talk very easily. They also try to enhance the confidence and capabilities of women, and try to develop collective decision making power in the woman, and also motivate women to take up social responsibility, particularly related to women in development, and to provide to discuss about their problems. Now came the SWOT analysis of the self-help group. These are the strength and these are the weaknesses of the self-help group. Strength are like self-burn. The SNG don't require any external help, that's why they are self-burn, and they require small capital investment, and government and NGO also supporting them. Government launching many schemes to help the rural people, and mostly the women and tribal women also getting the benefits of the government schemes. And there are skilled men force because they are skilled in their professional in their own way. And the raw material also available easily in the rural market, that's why they are making the bamboo baskets and mats easily. And the group meeting which increase their strength, and they motivate them. Weaknesses are problem related with the marketing. They don't know about the marketing, market strategy, and anything about the market, because they are not educated and not directly linked with the market or rural, sorry, urban areas, and don't have a proper brand name, or exploitation by the strong members, like in this group also, in case study also, the tribal women get exploited by the middleman because he is not giving them a good amount of their for their goods. Lack of education, family problems, etc. Now came the opportunities and threats. Opportunities are by the self-help group, they develop self-confidence, try to improve their life standard and enhance the leadership skills. The knowledge also increase, and the economical independence came in them. They also capable to make their own decision by themselves. And the threats are like lack of coordination, not result oriented, because not result oriented means they are not focused on the big goals, but they are mostly focusing on their own problems, small problems, and try to solve them. Technical, economical problems because they are not that much educated. Market related problems, supplying, etc. Now these are the some suggestion by my side, like proper encouragement and training should be given to them, make them innovative, and they also increase their products variety. In order to solve their various problems related to the marketing, SNG state level organization should extend the activities throughout the state instead of limiting its operation. An NGO, non government organization, can play a significant role, also playing a significant role in the self-help group to empowering the women entrepreneurs by providing basic education, motivation training, and financial help, and so on. Others are like short term training programs can be arranged to improve their skill, and frequent awareness can be organized by the rural development departments to create awareness about different schemes which our government is launching time to time. That's all from my side. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Be safe. Stay at home. Thank you.